Aloha everybody, and thank you for coming back to my channel. My name is Steven Espaniola. Just got back from the 2019 Winter NAMM Show and it was incredible. NAMM Show is basically a huge convention. If you can imagine a giant music store and then times that by like 10, then you get a little idea of what NAMM is. NAMM stands for National Association of Music Merchants, and basically it is a chance for vendors to get together with the retailers to show off what's coming up for the next year. So basically the vendors bring their latest and greatest instruments and gear to this festival so that they can set up their entire upcoming fiscal year. I'm a sponsored artist with Kanileʻa ʻUkulele. I basically go to the Kanileʻa booth and I play music, and I try to get more and more people to come to their booth so that Kanileʻa can establish those contacts in retailers and, you know, just generate hype and whatnot. And there's a lot of musicians who also take part in this incredible spectacle every year. Chance for me to see a lot of my friends, some of whom I only see once a year at NAMM. And it's a really good time if you can get a chance to go. You have to be in the music industry at some capacity. Retailer, vendor, artist. So if you can find a way, find a friend who works in any of these industries to try to get you in, definitely worth going. This trip, I had some really grand plans to basically cover the entirety of NAMM, to give you, the viewer, a sense of what goes on over the 4-day NAMM festival. I brought out my camera gear, and that was my intent, but it's so much going on down there that I just wasn't able to do that. But what I was able to do was get together with KanileʻA ʻUkulele, and I was able to interview good friend Kaimana Souza. He was able to show me some of the new instruments that are coming out for the 2019 season. 3 in particular from the Kanileʻa main line, and then 3 more on the Islander, more cost-efficient line. So without further ado, let's go ahead and listen to Kaimana Souza. Aloha.
Hello everybody, Kaimana here from Kanileʻa. Just wanted to show you our new 2019 Platinum. We did a pineapple tenor for the year. Kanileʻa's first ever pineapple-shaped ukulele. It's got the super cool pineapple side sound port. You can see the new truer bracing right through there. Totally redesigned, different, and it's gonna give some awesome sound. We've got a ebony armrest, a mango rosette, mango dots, and then this super awesome limited edition logo with the pineapple shape, and it's inlaid with mango. Got some master grade curly koa as usual. Also new for this year is the KSR. So it stands for Kanileʻa Slotted Armrest. Simple, got a nice koa contrasting armrest for comfortability, and a nice thin, lightweight headstock with the awesome Goto Stealth tuners. This is the player's instrument. You can play it all day, still feel comfortable with the lightweight and the nice armrest you've got over here. And then also new for the year, we've got our Oha line. So this is going to be our introductory model. We've got genuine mahogany back and sides with a select koa top, the walnut bridge and the walnut fingerboard, with a slightly modified version of the truer bracing. And the concert will be starting at retail for $750. So this is gonna be the instrument for the beginners wanting to get introduced to the Kanileʻa line. It's got a natural finish, but still sounds great.
How about like some of the Islanders?
New for the Islander line this year, sticking with the mango theme, we've got a mango Islander. It's got a nice black rosette with black front and back binding. And then we've also got a white mother of pearl decal logo for this year. It's got the white pearloid dots as well. And all Islanders are now coming with bound fingerboards so that you don't get those sharp frets. It's some beautiful mango wood. And then the second new model for the Islander line would be our MC4P. So P stands for pearl. It's the traditional mahogany laminate that we've been working with, but we threw in a nice pearloid rosette with the pearloid dots and a nice pearloid logo. And this new pearloid style is also coming in the acacia body. So the Asian cousin to koa, the acacia, is some nice wood. Got the same white pearl rosette with the white pearl dots and Islander logo. And all Islanders are now coming with walnut fingerboards and bridges. And they still sound good and look good. Not really tuned. Mahalo.